date and time. This is the Elliott Alumni Center at the UNH campus in Durham. Look at this. Look at that button. This thing is so cool. If I can get a focus. Let's go to 2. Oh, this was a Dover. 1977. Why take one ride? Oh, the indicator don't work. I hide my cameras. Hello. Sorry, I'm just checking out this building.
Okay.
It's your basic elevator. Here's the fixtures. Idiot phone. Like I said, 1977, 75 feet a minute. Ah, it sucks for Dover. That's gonna ring forever. Maybe we'll watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.